Oh, ito guys, oh, gusto ko i-share sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung trunk ng MG5. Oh, yan. So, ilagay nyo yan dyan guys. Shout out sa mga kaibigan ko dito. Ayan. Engineer Jeff. At saka si Engineer Franz. Ayan guys, oh. Isang malaking box. Mahaba yan guys. Itong phenolic. 1.2 meters yung length. At saka itong Shopee delivery ko. Watch out for my vlog for this. Ayan. Kung nagtataka kayo kung paano ko ipinasok yan, ito siya guys. Ito yung kinagandahan ng MG5. Kasi, nabababa yung rear seats. Kaya, pasok yung mga malalaking bagahe. Ayan. Alright. So, that's it. That's a very simple goods about MG5. Ayan guys, so ganito siya sa loob. Ayan. So, para siyang pick up. Nada-drop down kasi yung rear seats. Kaya, ayan. Pasok. MG5 is very good in maximizing the space. So, ano sa tingin nyo guys? Goods ba MG5 ko? So, nagagamit ko pa rin siya pang rugged. So, that's one of the things that I like about MG5. How about you? Ano yung mga bagay-bagay na nagustuhan nyo about MG5? Comment nyo below. Baka pareho tayo. So, ayan. Thank you for watching. It's your Ingenieron Chuper. I'll see you on my next vlog. God bless. Stay safe. Drive safe.